Cypress is used to prevent excessive perspiration, particularly in the feet. It is good for hemorrhoids, oily skin, and acts as an astringent for skincare applications. It is extremely gentle and suitable for all skin types. This oil calms and soothes anger while having a positive effect on one's mood. It is suitable for various female problems and is good for coughs and bronchitis. Cypress assists with varicose veins and bodily fluids by improving circulation. Its properties include antibacterial, anti-infectious, anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, astringent, deodorant, diuretic, and as a vein tonic. Avoid use during pregnancy. It's also recommended to avoid long-term use with high blood pressure. Cypress is a middle to base note.